Sarah Jensen, Technical Editor with Power and Motion, and today I'll be speaking with Kirk Martin, Sector Sales Director, Mobile Machinery at Avelix, about the company's recently introduced SmartX digital platform for linear motion devices. So maybe just to sort of start our discussion, if you could maybe provide an overview of the SmartX digital platform that Avelix recently introduced and kind of going talk about what it entails, how it works, or could be applied in linear motion devices.
Okay, I'm glad to. So the Avelix SmartX platform is a CAN bus control package with absolute position control, and then that's integrated into our CHB electric actuator product line, which has a push force of about 2,500 pounds. What's nice about it is, as far as how it can help with linear motion devices, it kind of allows a machine designer can use this platform to control the electric actuator without having to have a separate controller in their system. Typically, you need some type of control mechanism to help drive the actuator or control the actuator, where this integrated control system takes care of that for you. Thus, you can simplify your overall machine and not have to have a controller module separate for this axis. And then last, it kind of includes multiple functions such as parallel mode, soft start, soft stop, force profiles, and a few others. But that kind of helps. Those are the main ones that really help designers apply and install this linear actuator into their systems.
Mm-hmm. Okay, all right. And so what maybe prompted the company to develop the SmartX platform, and what benefits do you guys anticipate it bringing to the industry?
So we saw demand. Like I said, customers are trying to, number one, they're installing more and more electric actuators and having to control them with more complex systems. So we really saw demand for an integrated package with absolute position control, which I think that's a major difference for ours. Is that absolute position control just really allows you to get good feedback, good position feedback for your system. So we think we met that demand with this SmartX platform. And then also, like I said, we kind of expanded upon that absolute position control, some other key features I mentioned previously, such as parallel mode, soft start, soft stop. You can do some onboard monitoring of your conditions, just various features that this SmartX platform has.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right. And do you maybe have any examples that you could share, kind of demonstrating how the technology has been used, either in maybe like a heavy duty mobile equipment type of application or other applications?
Main applications so far have been in kind of steering functions for slab scissor lifts. They're using the SmartX to communicate with the main machine control. And also there's some built-in safety functionality for a steering function. So that's kind of one of the main applications. Some other places where people have used it so far are some passenger stairs for the airport market. We also have some small dump trucks in the municipal equipment market, and also street sweepers and various applications in the on-road equipment work truck space.
Okay. All right. Great. So what, if any, challenges have you guys either experienced or noticed within the industry when you're like integrating or just developing smart systems like the SmartX platform, and how are maybe some of those challenges overcome?
So some of the biggest challenges in the mobile market is, as it develops and electrification becomes more prevalent, is what voltage does the actuator need to be able to accommodate. So what are the machine voltages? That's kind of all over the gambit today. There's anywhere from 12 volts to 800 volt systems out there. So the challenge is trying to accommodate a SmartX platform into all these different voltage ranges from a design standpoint, from a supplier standpoint, if you will. So that was some of the challenges we're still coming up with ways to do that. For an OEM, it really offers less challenges. The SmartX platform does, because it really is a seamless integration process, because There is no separate controller. It eliminates components and wiring from the machine, thus simplifying the whole design.
Right. And is that something you're seeing more and more, that OEMs are wanting to simplify the design, and this type of technology is aiding with that, or?
Yes, like I said, absolutely. People want to have less components in the machine. Plug and play, smart capabilities obviously are very prevalent in the entire society. So it's going down to the machine design also. So they like that plug and play, easy to use application and installation into their machine.
Okay, great. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with me today and provide some more insight into the SmartX platform.
I appreciate a few minutes. Thank you, Sarah.